We're back, guys, to show you another great mystery pack from Fandomly Designs. Expecto Patronum! Let's go! Everybody, it's Amanda. How are you doing today, Localtarians? I hope you're having a beautiful day. We are here for another quick unboxing. You might remember, and if not, we'll certainly remind you. This is Fandomly Designs. We did a mystery packs from them in a previous episode where I ordered, I believe, 2 of them, and I ended up with a ridiculous amount of things. You were supposed to get like 2 items or something, and I ended up with like 8 items or something like that. And they were all amazing. They do any kind of fandom you can think of. We had, from the last one, we had stuff from Game of Thrones. We had a sonic screwdriver from Doctor Who. We had a lot of cool stuff. And you know what? I'll link that up there in case you missed it. So they are in Coral Springs, Florida. So we are helping out a small local business right here in Florida, which is sort of what I was trying to do with this. And yeah, I'm here to tell you that I got another order. Now, I put this in, I believe I ordered for 2 of them this time. Last time, I think, I'm trying to remember if I ordered for 2 or 1. I might have only ordered for 1. I'll have to check. I'll put it on the screen, what I paid, and we'll go from there. Actually, I might even have it right here. Oh, here we go. Here's what I ordered. That might be helpful. Okay, so we ordered 1, and basically, we were supposed to get 1 item, and it was a mystery jewelry grab bag. And we paid $3, plus of course all the shipping and everything. But and again, that's Fandomly Designs. And yeah, I really like this company. You can find them on fandomlydesigns.etsy.com. So let's just take a look and see what we got this time. I'm pretty excited. I always like their stuff. Let's see what we have here. Oh wow. Well, this is way more than 1 item, guys. I can tell you that. We definitely got more than 1. So let's see what we did get. Okay. Now, I could be wrong, and I'm sure that everybody in the comments will correct me if I am. This looks like it's from the show Vikings. I could be very wrong. I can't see. Oh, there's the end. I couldn't get it to open. Oh, there it goes. And basically, it is a chain and a V. To me, it kind of looks like the show Vikings, but I could be wrong about that. So it's a necklace. Very neat, very cool. Either way, it's really cool. I don't know if you guys are picking up that design on it. It's pretty neat. So we got that. That's one of our items. And let's see what else we got. I gotta put everything back in. If I don't do this, I will lose them. All right, guys. So if you're all about different fandoms, this place is really for you. You can also, you don't have to do mystery packs. You can just literally order something that you see on their page you like. They got a variety of, every fandom I could think of was there. And a few I didn't know, so that's pretty dope. All right, so we got this one last time. So we did get 1 duplicate here so far. And this is a Walking Dead necklace. You have Rick's hat, you have Rick's gun, and then it says, keep calm and kill zombies. So it's kind of cute. Oops, my stuff's flying. There we go. So it's pretty cute. You can see. And there's the hat and the gun. So yeah, if you've got Walking Dead fans, this is pretty neat. So already we got 2 items for our $3, okay? That's, already we are ahead of the game in my opinion. For what we paid, we got a really, really good deal. Now, mind you, the way these mystery packs work is when the artists, the people that run their shops, when they have extra stuff that they have too much in stock, they're going to shove it into one of these mystery packs. So you just don't always know. Well, we really did okay here. We got another one here. It's Game of Thrones, and it says, winter is coming. So this one I knew. I'm not a huge Game of Thrones person, but that's what it says. Very cool little necklace for those of you that are big fans. I've managed to knot it already. There we go. Got it unknotted. But very cool. Not too shabby. So if you're a fan, this might be a great place to pick them up. Me personally, I'd probably take it off the chain and put it onto some leather cord. you know, to make it a little more durable there, a little more classy looking perhaps. I'm not a big fan of these chains, but occasionally they're okay if you're just going to be wearing it for a costume or just for the day or something. It's not so bad. All right. Okay, and the next one, let me pull this out and take a look. I'm not sure if this is Harry Potter. It might be Harry Potter. Let me take a look. Yeah, it's definitely Harry Potter. It's got a lightning bolt on it, on the bail. So I'm pretty sure that that little lightning bolt would be a Harry Potter symbol, but I could be wrong. And I'm not sure if this is, I guess this is supposed to be Hogwarts. Yeah, got a little Hogwarts there. Very cool. Pretty neat. So if you're a big Harry Potter fan, they have some other ones. This one's not my favorite. They had some pretty cute stuff in the last pack we got. So pretty cute still. I mean, we paid $3 already. We have what? We just pulled out. This is our 4th piece, right? Guess what? I've got another one. That's right, one more. And this one's really cool. This one I can definitely tell you is from Doctor Who. So I like that they give you a variety of stuff and they're not just throwing all one at you. This is very cute. It says, Who Man. Let me get it to turn around here. It says Who Man. Very cool, right? So I don't know. I mean, without the H, it's Woman. And if you're a dude and you like Doctor Who, it's Who Man, I guess. But very cool either way. I think that's very cool. It's got the TARDIS there in the middle. Not bad. And I like the fact that it's attached on either side right there, because that'll keep it nice and flat when you wear it. It's very cool. Speaking of wearing stuff, guys, I'm wearing my Fuel Your Scene shirt. You can get these. They'll be in the descriptions down below. We have a variety of things on our Local Love page for the Local Love shop. So check it out. And if you got any ideas on stuff you'd like to see, let us know. We have masks. We have phone cases. We have a variety of things over there. Some great shirts. And yeah, let us know what you think and check them out. We appreciate you looking. All right, guys. Well, so what do I think? That's what the name of this show is. I think we got, we got some great items here, really. I mean, we got 5 items for $3. I don't think you're going to find that at any store, okay? This is a great deal. And if you'll remember, like I said, the last time, we got like 8 or 9 items, I think. And, I mean, for a few dollars, I paid $3. You can't beat it. They're very polite and nice here. I like Fandomly Designs a lot. They do a great job. And you should definitely go check them out because their stuff is amazing. So make sure that you do. And again, I will link it in the description below where I got my mystery packs. But make sure you stop off at their store, because if you don't want to do the mystery part of it and you just want to, you know, go in and find something in particular that is for your particular fandom, you can do that too. They also have stickers and other items, and I believe they also offer an enamel pin mystery pack as well, which I have not done yet, so maybe we'll do that one next time. We'll see. But at any rate, this was take 2 on Fandomly Designs, and so there you go. I like it. I'm gonna keep buying stuff from them because I think they're wonderful, and when we do, we're supporting a small Florida business. Not much else I can say except thumbs up on that. All right, guys. Well, other than that, thank you guys as always for watching. We certainly appreciate it. And peace. We'll catch you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.